There we go. What you doing, dog? Hey. Howdy there, welcome back to another DryFork garage video. Today we're going to be working on the F11 still. I should probably put a little bit more time into the KZ, but I just started making progress with this one, so I just started running with it. Anyways, we got a few packages here. Got the piston and the clutch plates. This should be everything we need to throw it all back together. So we need to open these first before we need to put them on. So we're going to open them with the katana, just because we're not boring around here. Got to thank Logan and Dylan for getting this for me a few years ago. Hasn't got much use just because I don't know what I'd use it for, but found a good use now. Oh, this is like Christmas, honestly. Wow. Got a whole pillowcase. Now the piston. It says it's for an F8. And this is technically an F11, but I looked up the size, they're the exact same, so those are compatible. Ha! Precision. Well, here it is. Got the new piston looking nice and clean, like you'd obviously expect it to look. I got the rings here. Now we're all ready to put the top end on whenever we get to that. Don't cut towards yourselves. It's dangerous. Only skilled samurais like myself can do this. Whatever. We didn't even seal it. But I guess when you have a bag, or a box inside of a bag, there they are, just in a Ziploc. eBay is the best. Man, just a lot of bags. Just quality packaging. All 6 of them are here. These look a lot better than my other ones. You see the difference. Obviously, this one's the older one. And the pads are just worn thin on this. And this one's got some good, nice pads that you can clearly see. Should be pretty straightforward from here. Just put these on the bike, put the clutch on, put the clutch cover on, button it all back up, do the top end, put it on the bike, ride. Without anything else getting in our way, let's get to it. It's currently 9 o'clock-ish. I just got back from a trip. I'm going to put my nose to the grindstone and see if I can get this sucker running tonight. I mean, we're knocking on the door of having it running, so I'm just going to finish it out tonight. I got nothing going on, so might as well. Alright, so I got the clutch plates, and I'm soaking them in some oil. While we're waiting for that and to put the clutch basket on, I figured I'd just do the top end, put the new piston on, maybe even the cylinder, get it looking like a real motor again. Just gonna get to it, I guess. Got the brand new piston, like I showed you before. However, these things, they don't look like they're in the best shape. They're a little rusty, actually. I don't know if you can tell. So I think I'm just gonna use some other ones that I have on hand. Got a brand new shaft with this too. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe not brand new. It's got rust all over it. I don't even know what that is. I mean, it's scraping off, but I'm just gonna piece all the good stuff together. All right, so I got the other shaft. This one looks a lot better. It doesn't have, I don't even know what that is. Like, it looks like rust, but I don't know. Anyways, we're just gonna use this one. Now you take the bearing, it's in my pocket, and you want to grease it up. This will be about one of the only times you ever see me wear a glove in the shop. Gonna have to do it again to put those piston plates in, just because I don't want to get oil all over my hands. Anyway, just put some in there. Bearing goes in there. Just real easy, real straightforward. There we go. Now I just gotta put our circlips in. These are the ones that originally came with it. They don't have any of those dog ears. They're just a simple metal ring. These other ones are probably easier to get out, but I just would rather use these ones, I guess. No real reason, just because I feel like it. About dropped that one down inside. Whew. Just got a mini heart attack, but we're all good. We still have it. In fact, maybe I'll put this underneath just in case. Okay, now we have a piston, a top end. How wonderful is that? Getting closer and closer by the minute. Now I'm just gonna put the head on. I mean, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna take this glove off first. Now we'll put the head on. We got to do the piston rings, so we'll do that right now. Not too hard. You just put them on. Man, this has got the same rust, weird substance on it. I don't know what to even think. It should be all right though. I'm just gonna run it. This one goes on the bottom. That's not the bottom. That is the bottom now. Okay, bottom. And I don't think it matters too much for these next two. No, they're the same thickness, same gap, same, pretty much all around. So I'm just gonna put one on the bottom, one on. As you can see right here, there's a little notch. It kind of comes down. Those rings kind of have a groove that go just right around it. So that kind of tells you where your position is. As you can see, these are right on position. So we'll just throw the head on now and see how it all works. Now, this is one of the parts that I hate the most, just because I can never get the piston rings to go in and at the right position, especially. So hopefully this won't take us too many attempts, but just gonna cross our fingers, try our best, see where it goes from there. Well, there we go. It's all on now. Just gotta put the barrier top on and the clutch, and I think it should be good to go on the bike. So we're making bounds today. Just had a visitor come in through the door. What you doing, dog? Hey, what you doing? Anyways, no more lollygagging, let's go. Here comes another little one. Charlie, what are you doing? This dog just know where the party's at, I guess. Alright, head is on and all torqued down. It's just giving me the chills every time I look at it. This thing's gonna be running really soon. While I was editing the video, I realized I have a lot of content for just one video. So I think I'm gonna split it into 2 separate videos instead of just having the whole thing. I mean, I'm sure you guys would probably get bored of just time lapses and whatnot. So anyways, I'm gonna split it into 2. Next one, I should be putting the clutch plates on, button it all up, kick it over, see if we can get it to run. So stay tuned for that. Be looking for the next one. I'll link it right here once I get it up and ready to go. So thanks for watching again. I'll catch you on the next one.